So for today's video, I'm going to be talking all about my best and worst luxury purchases. So I have 7 items here, and it's mostly bags, a few SLGs, and some accessories. So to start off, my absolute best luxury purchase that I've made, which also happens to be my first designer luxury handbag purchase, and that is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So I have it in the MM size, which is basically just the medium size. The PM is the smallest. This is the MM, and then they have the GM, which is the largest out of the 3 sizes. So I got this bag back in 2014, and I still have my receipts. I keep all my receipts for my luxury designer purchases. So when I got this bag 6 years ago, the price of this bag was $980, and this bag now retails for $1,500. When I got this bag, you had the option of buying it either with or without the little pouch, little clutch. I chose to get it without the clutch, which now I'm kind of upset about because I wish I would have had it to use it to go out, like as a clutch, as a wristlet. But now the bag is $1,500, they automatically sell it with that clutch. But I love this bag. This definitely became my everyday bag, my work bag, my travel bag. I love the style of a tote bag. Before this one, I had the Longchamp bag, and I just like that a tote just fits everything you need. You can throw everything in there, which is exactly what I do. And after having it for about 6 years now, it does have a little bit of wear and tear. So I don't know if you can see, but right here there is a little piece of cracked leather, and also one of these little gold pieces popped off. I still have the gold piece, so I am thinking about getting it repaired. I think I especially love this bag because it was my first designer purchase. I bought it for myself with my own money, and actually after I looked at the receipt, I actually bought it for myself on Valentine's Day. So this is definitely what got me into the whole luxury designer world. I got a lot of use out of it. I still use it almost every day. It's definitely a great first piece if you're looking to get your first handbag. I mean, it is a little pricey now, but you will definitely have it for years. So that leads me into one of my worst purchases, which was actually my second designer purchase. I got it a few years after I got the Neverfull, and that is the YSL shopping tote. And I still have the receipt for that one. This one I got from Neiman Marcus in 2016, so 2 years after. And the cost of this bag when I purchased it was $9.95. So I got this bag because I liked the tote style of the Neverfull. I just wanted something in black, and I wanted to try a different designer. So the YSL shopping tote was pretty much the closest in price range to the Neverfull. So the quality of the YSL tote is nowhere near the quality of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So I don't know if you can tell, but the straps on this is literally falling apart. And yeah, I've had it for what, 4 years now, but this was coming apart probably not even that long after I bought it. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but right here where the logo is, or where the logo is supposed to be, the Saint Laurent logo is completely scratched out. Also, the leather on this one is very slouchy. With the Neverfull, it stands upright and it has really nice structure. This one, it's just really slouchy. It kind of just falls in and it doesn't hold its shape. So the YSL tote does come with a little pouch in here. I feel like they probably copied that idea from the Neverfull. I find that I don't even use this pouch. If I do use it, I'll probably just put a few like lipsticks in here. But just like the front of the tote, the little pouch, the YSL logo is almost completely rubbed off. So this is definitely a purchase I regret. I probably should have done more research on it. I also probably should have gotten the straps replaced a long time ago, but I feel like that's not something that should be happening with a bag that is $1,000. I mean, I still use the bag. I'm obviously not gonna just stop using it. The main thing that I like about the bag is the little YSL that hangs right here. It's just very like dainty and minimal, and that's literally the best part of the bag for me. So, but besides that, this was definitely a regret of mine. So sticking with YSL, the next item, which is one of my best purchases, is the YSL zip around wallet. So this is the only item out of everything that was a gift. My boyfriend got this for me for my birthday 3 years ago. And this is also really special because he gave this to me while we were on vacation in Paris for my 27th birthday. I had been eyeing this wallet for the longest. Like, as soon as I got the YSL tote, I already started looking at YSL wallets. I was really on the fence about getting the wallet because the wallet at the time, I'm not sure how much this wallet costs now, but back then the wallet cost just as much as the tote bag did. So I had just spent $1,000 on a bag. I was not up for spending $1,000 on a wallet, so I kind of just put it in the back of my mind. We had actually said that we were gonna go shopping while we were in Paris, and he was gonna get me a Louis Vuitton wallet, which I low-key didn't really want. But I was like, how dope is that? Like, we're gonna go shopping to the Louis Vuitton in Paris, buy a wallet. Like, everybody wants to go shopping while they're in Paris. So the morning of my birthday, I got up, I was super excited. We were gonna go to the Louis Vuitton on Champs-Élysées, which, if you know Paris, that's like the major shopping area where all the major like luxury designer stores are. So I was like, all right, let's go, let's get up. It's my birthday, I wanna go, let's go. And then that morning of my birthday, before we got up and went, he surprised me with this, which I was like 10 times more excited about. I had no idea he was gonna get it. I was super surprised. I even think I may have cried. I'm not sure. I'm gonna insert some pictures of when I opened it. I definitely had a full-on photo shoot of the wallet and the box and the Eiffel Tower. This, like the Neverfull, definitely has like a special meaning to it. Like, it was a gift, it was a surprise. He gave it to me in Paris. Like, I wasn't expecting it. It was something that I really, really wanted. So definitely one of my best luxury items and best memories in general. So next item, which is one of my regrets, one of my worst purchases, was my Gucci Marmont belt. And I know I literally just did a YouTube video on this not even a year ago. I haven't even had this belt for a year, and I probably have worn this maybe 3 or 4 times. And I know in the video I talked all about how to wear the belt, what to style it with, but I literally probably only wore like 2 or 3 of those outfits. It's just not something that I grab for often. I actually wish I would have got the smaller size. So this is the biggest. And when I say biggest, I mean this piece. I think this is the 1.5. I should have gone for the 1 inch because I'm pretty small, and I just feel like when I wear this, it just looks really big on me. I also wish that I would have bought it pre-loved, being that I don't wear it a lot. And I actually think I did mention that in my review of the belt. I said something like, oh, it's only an accessory. I probably am not gonna wear it that often. Insert the clip here.
So before I purchased the belt, I was really on the fence. Like, do I really need to drop almost $500 on an accessory? So it's something that I'm not even going to be wearing every day. It's not like a purse or like a coat or shoes, something that I could wear daily. I knew I wasn't be getting that much use out of it, so I was really like hesitant on dropping that much money on just a belt.
And it was exactly that. I've only worn this probably like 3 times, so spending almost $500 on something that I barely even wear sucks. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with like the quality of the belt. Unlike the YSL tote, the leather is really good. It holds up really nice. You can tell it's really good quality leather. For me, it's more so just the price point. I do plan on selling this on Poshmark. I'll probably wear it like 2 or 3 more times before I sell it on Poshmark. So maybe I'll get like $300 or $250 back for the belt, but definitely was a regret. Next item that I love, which is one of my favorite luxury purchases, is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. So I also have a YouTube video on this when I unboxed it and reviewed it, so if you want to check this out, I'll leave the link to that video below. And I still have the receipt for this one. This, when I purchased it a year ago, was $4.45. I don't know if the price of this has gone up. I'm imagining it has gone up because this has been really popular. Like I mentioned in my unboxing video, I use this as a clutch. It's a great size. It fits a lot of stuff when you're going out. The only thing I don't like about this, which I actually think I did mention it in my unboxing video, is the way that you kind of have to hold it and carry it. Obviously, this is not an actual clutch. There's no strap or there's nothing to hold it on your wrist. So you literally just have to hold it under your arm, or I would usually hold it like from here. But besides that, kind of having to hold it kind of awkwardly, I love this. This was a good investment. I don't mind spending the, what was it, $4.45. I get a lot of use out of this. I've worn it a ton of times. It goes with everything. It elevates your outfit. And I did actually get a bag organizer for this. Let me take it out. So I got this from Amazon, and I don't know if you can see in the organizer, but I definitely have makeup stains and it's definitely dirty in there, which I'm glad I got the organizer dirty rather than getting the inside of the bag dirty. I wanted to get the organizer because I wanted to have somewhere to put my cards, so it has like little slots for your cards rather than just throwing my cards and my cash in there. I'm happy I was able to find it. At that time when I got this bag, it was sold out almost everywhere, so I'm happy I was able to get it. But yeah, I love this. Definitely one of my favorites. And next item is another regret. I'm not gonna say it's one of my worst purchases, but it's something that I definitely regret getting, and it's also from Gucci, funny enough, and it is the Gucci card case. So this is also my most recent designer purchase. I got this probably like 2 weeks ago, but it's a regret only because it was an impulse buy. I mentioned with the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch that I got the organizer because I didn't want to just throw my cards in the bag. So I figured I needed a card case. So I started looking into card cases. I really wanted a card case for when I use that purse and when I use like other smaller purses, just so I don't have like my cards and everything just thrown in the bag. So there's nothing wrong with this. The leather and the quality of this is really nice. I really wanted black on gold hardware. It's just that I kind of settled for Gucci when what I really wanted was the YSL card case. I don't know. I don't even know why I decided to get the Gucci. I have a YSL tote. I have a YSL wallet. I really wanted the YSL card case. The price point is pretty similar. This one is $250. The YSL is $275. This was just like an impulse buy. It's not what I really wanted. If there's something that you have in your mind that you really want, don't settle for something else just because it's a little bit cheaper. I think that's probably why, one of the reasons why I went for this rather than the YSL. It was like $25 or $30 cheaper. I don't know why I got this. Definitely regret it. I definitely will be selling this on Poshmark, so if you are interested in getting it, I will leave my Poshmark link down below. But I'm gonna sell this one, and then once I get the money for this one, I'm gonna get the YSL. But don't settle. If there's something that you really want, if you really have your heart set on it, don't settle just because of the price, because now I am regretting this. And then the last item, which is one of my best and favorite luxury designer purchases, is my Celine mini luggage. So I just did a whole video about this bag about a month ago, unboxing it and all that, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. So I've had this bag for about a month now, and I still have not even used it. I'm kind of scared to take it out. I don't want to get it messed up. I don't want to get it scratched. Although I haven't worn it yet, this is definitely, I think out of everything I mentioned, this is definitely my favorite purchase. I talk a lot about it in the unboxing video about how I've wanted this bag for so long. I thought I would never have it. I thought I could never afford it. But just the feeling of getting your dream purse, or even your dream anything, your dream car, your dream purse, whatever it may be, just the feeling of finally getting that. And I don't know, to some people that may sound silly, but just getting the bag and like saving the money and purchasing it and getting like something that I've always wanted just like makes me feel good. So hopefully I'll wear this soon. This is definitely not gonna be like an everyday bag like the Neverfull is, just because I want to keep my dream bag nice and clean and in perfect condition, but I'll wear it probably to like a special event or some special occasion or something. But definitely out of everything I mentioned, this is my top #1 favorite luxury item. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed these types of videos about luxury purchases and designer purchases, then comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see more of, and I will see you guys in the next video.